Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today there's an announcement for those using Windows 11 and that are staying on 22H2. Of course, you still have a year of using 22H2. Once again, for those waiting for 23H2 and don't see it yet, no rush. It's going to come eventually. You still have a year, like I said, on 22H2. But one of the things that's going to change on 22H2 is that on February of 2024, so if we go down to here, we'll go down to 2024, February the 27th, which was to be the date on which you would have the update for the bug fixes. Well, that will be the last one, as the 22H2 will continue on after February 27, 2024, to have only security updates. No more bug fixing updates. So this is going to be something to check out if you continue using it. It's still going to work, just not going to get any bug fixes anymore after February 27th. That is a way of Microsoft saying, move on to 23H2. It's time to continue on and, push people forward in the new versions of Windows. So, of course, this version of 22H2 is still good until the month of October next year. And 23H2 will be good until November 11th, 2025. So we're moving on in Windows versions, and we'll see what happens with all of that. So February 27th is the last bug fixing update for Windows 11 22H2. Then after that will be only security updates until October of 2024. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.